Alright, I'm back in the shop. Gotta get back to it. Back to work real quick. Got these vehicles waiting, so picked up a couple of things. Gonna give you a little tool review, a little tool haul in a little while. So we be right back to it. Okay, got the fusion put back together, so now it's time to get this up out of here real quick. Okay, got the Kia Soul done and got the fusion done, so I'm basically about to pull these out. I got another 3 vehicles to get to, so I'm about to pull 2 more in and throw those on the base so that I can multitask, and the third job has to be separately done in a different bay. Okay, I'm gonna get back to it. Okay, so now as you can see, just brought this in. There's 3 other vehicles basically that I gotta work on at the same time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one right here and I'm gonna put 2 over there so that you can see, how my day goes. Alright. Okay, as I just bought this Subaru Impreza and come to find out it needs more than was first stated to me, so I brought it here. Okay, so pretty much as I've got that draining, I'm gonna basically get to this. I basically just got this in over here to this lift. So basically get this up out of my way. So I can get to this. That out the way. Okay, so basically, yeah. I also have another vehicle that I need to put in, but basically I'm gonna put it over there in that location. But I'm gonna get these 3 vehicles done and get them in and out. It's a lot of multitasking going on right now. Okay. Okay, now basically letting this drain. I'm about to get to this. I basically got that done, so that's ready to get up out of there so I can basically pull in the next projects. All right. Basically get a little bit into this. Let's see where we're at here. A lot of multitasking going on the day. Okay, so this is gonna be replaced. This is gonna be the first step on this vehicle. This is a Midtronics EXP-800 right here. Okay, so that's gonna be replaced. That's gonna be the first step on this vehicle. Okay, now that I got the caravan together, I'm gonna have to come back to this. I'm about to pull this in the caravan out and bring something else in real quick. Okay, so gotta put this up here because about to really get to doing some work to this. I still got this over here that I gotta pull out. I gotta put another vehicle right there. Still multitasking upon the day. Alright, so I'm gonna be right back with it. Okay, now as you can see, I just pulled in this 2019 Nissan Pathfinder. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to multitask between this vehicle and this vehicle. There's more work that needs to be done to this Subaru, but for the prior moment I'm gonna get this Pathfinder up in the air and get this prepped and get this ready. Alright, so as I got that up and it's doing what it's due. So now it's time to get to this. About to back out that high torque Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact and get to work. Okay, it's always not that easy for me to hold a tool and hold a camera at the same time, when I'm demonstrating or doing what I'm doing in the shop, but you already know and you get the idea of basically what's going on here. Okay. So like I said, I can't hold a tool and hold a camera, so give me a second. So more enough, you can pretty much get the idea as far as what's going on at the prior moment. Alright, so let me get back to the other vehicle real quick. Okay, just basically got the Pathfinder done. So as you can see, basically there's a lot of movement going on right now. So I gotta get to the Subaru because there's more than a few things that I need to do. But right now, I'm gonna take the moment to get into my signature, as you already know. As is always lingering somewhere in the background, my Dunkin' Donuts coffee. You know, it's time to take that little quick second break real quick, and then I'm going to get right back to it. Oh, once again, I do got a tool haul and a tool review coming for you. I did pick up a few things off the truck this morning, so we're going to get into that also. Stay tuned. Okay, back to the Subaru. Back over here. Okay, now time to get to the next thing. It's not always easy to do this and hold and record at the same time. But you get the idea. Okay, back to this. Back to it again. Okay, basically about to finish this up.